Hi everyone. I had someone ask me how to reduce the fractions, and I thought the easiest way to do that would be to do a quick video. So I'll post this in the Wednesday section of the classroom. If you are adding two fractions, so here we have 9 over 8 plus 5 over 6. The first thing we do is the same as before. We just have to find a common denominator. So we have an 8 and a 6. So we can count by 8. So 8, 16, 24. I'll just go to 32. And then we'll count by sixes, 6, 12, 18, 24, and I'm going to stop because I see that 24 is common in both. So put 24 here, put 24 here, add. Okay, so how many 8s go in 24? There are 3, and so I had to times that by 3. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So 9 times 3 is 27. Then how many 6s go into 24? There's 4, so I have to times that 5 by 4. So we have 20. So if we add those together, 27 plus 20 is going to be 47. And on the bottom, we have 24, and it doesn't change. So now we have 47 over 24. Now in class, we learned that on the top, you need to have a number that is smaller than the number on the bottom. Otherwise, it's an improper fraction. We need to turn this fraction here into a proper fraction. Proper would mean that the number on the top is smaller than the number on the bottom. So what we have to do is we have to say, okay, how many 24s go into 47? So 24s into 47. If I did it twice, that would be 48. It would be too big. So just one. There's 1 24 and 47. Okay, so and if you subtract, so if you go ahead and say, okay, how many are left? So if we do 47 take away 24, you would get 23. So there's 23 left. That's why we couldn't fit a whole other one in there over 24. And that's it. The next question you could say, okay, 23 and 24, can I reduce that at all? No, I can't because the 23 can't be divided by anything. And so that would be my final answer right here. Okay, I'm just going to clear the screen really quickly. If you need more explanation, if you just need to have it again, just go back and rewatch the video. I can't think of an exact example at the moment, but let's just say you do your question and your answer equals 12 over 36. Okay, so 12 over 36, I know that this is not technically in its lowest form. So what you can do is you can just say, okay, can I divide the 12 and the 36 by anything to reduce it? Just like if you have 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is the same as 2 over 4, right? It's the same as 3 over 6. That's kind of like what we're doing over here. So 12 and the first thing I'm going to do, I know right away I know what the final answer is going to be, but let's just say you didn't know the final answer. You have a 12 and 36. I know for sure that I can divide them both by 2. So if I divide the top by 2, I'm at 6. If I divide the bottom by 2, I'm at 18. Okay, so am I done? Can I reduce this further? Well, they're still both divisible by 2, so I'm just going to go ahead and divide it by 2 again. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Am I done now? No, I'm not done because I can still divide those both by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and my final answer would be 1 over 3. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning here, 12 over 36. If you saw right away that 12 and 36 were, like, if you could count by 12 to get to 36, because 36 is divisible by 12, you could have said, okay, divide top by 12, it's 1, divide the bottom by 12 is 3. You could have did it in one step, but if you don't do it in one step, you'll still get to the right answer. Just keep going until you have it in the lowest form. Now for today's assignment, on the Wednesday assignment, if you do not put it in the lowest form, if you end up with a number on the top that's bigger, that's okay. That's not what I'm testing you on today. I'm testing you on the ability to find a common denominator, add the numbers, or find the common denominator and subtract the numbers. But I hope this does help answer the question to the person that asked me, and hopefully it helps everyone else as well. So have a great day. Enjoy your assignments. See you later.